energy to the show today. I'm kind of stoked about being here with a crowd around. It's like infectious, you know?
Oh, wow.
Finally, too. Some freaking good news! Holy Moses, has it been a bad week? And we got some good news. I'm sitting here last night at the Hard Rock at the Patriot Awards, right? Getting ready for the show. Prepping it for today. Oh my gosh, sorry, I don't want to break this guy's phone. You can't slam on the desk like I just did. So I'm here, and I hear last night they finally call it, and we have control of the house, which is good news. Control of the house, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, we had, yes, everybody's clapping, even Mike, even though I almost lost him there on the thing. We have this thing jerry-rigged to death. Now, listen, I get it. I keep saying it. It wasn't the best election in the world, but folks, getting control of the house, officially called last night, is really a big deal. It's a BFD in Joe Biden's words. It's a big deal. We now can clog up this anti-American agenda. Is that for me? Wait. Check 1, 2. I think I just got to put the mute on the Skype. Sorry, folks. I don't want to hear myself talking about. And for as much as I love the radio show, I don't want to hear the radio show. We won the House. This is a big deal. The even bigger deal is the margin we won the House by, I think, is going to grow. There was a tweet by Dave Wasserman. I think he works at Cook. And he was pointing to a race in California. It looks like it's going to go our way, too. So we may actually have a buffer of a few more seats than we thought. Now, it's going to be the 240 seats, 230 seats where we got like a 12-seat majority. Hell to the... No, it's not. But it's going to be enough that we can stop the hellscape that this guy has created. Joe Biden. Remember, it's a simple majority in the House. As long as we don't get a bunch of rhino Republicans, which I know is possible, voting along with the